Hey all, welcome to Level Up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can do it right away by clicking the subscribe button below. Also, do not forget to tap the bell icon right next to it and select all. This way, you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video on this channel. Let's get started. The historic mission of NASA and SpaceX is scheduled to be launched on 31st of May in the early hours of Sunday, according to Indian Standard Timings. Now, before we head into the topic of the 10 facts about this historic mission, you must know the background of NASA and SpaceX. Continue to watch this video. National Aeronautics and Space Administration of United States of America, popularly known as NASA, is a US-based space agency which is totally into space exploration activities. It was founded in the year 1958 and started its first space shuttle program in the year 1981. What is a space shuttle program? A space shuttle program is a space transportation system which carries astronauts and cargo to and fro from the Earth's orbit into the space. It's a human spaceflight program. Space shuttle carried astronauts and satellites into the space. The space shuttle was also like a science lab. A lot of experiments were conducted in the space shuttle. Doing experiments in space is completely different than doing them on Earth. It also carried large parts to build the International Space Station. It's a scientific and a technological wonder. It's basically a permanent laboratory that was built in the space to conduct research and experiments. Now, each time a space shuttle is launched, it is called a mission. Till date, NASA has launched about 135 missions and flew more than 300 astronauts into the space. However, in the year 2011, NASA decided to take retirement from this space shuttle program. The main reason was the ever-increasing operational and maintenance costs. However, that did not stop NASA from sending its astronauts into space. How was it sending? It was depending on the Russian spacecraft. In the world, apart from United States of America and China, Russia is the only country that has the capability to send humans into space. They were sending through its spacecraft called Soyuz. Russian spacecraft Soyuz is one of the most reliable launch vehicles till date in the world. NASA's dependence on Russian spacecraft proved to be a costly affair. NASA ends up paying about $85 million for one seat in the Russian spacecraft to take its astronauts into space. NASA wanted this dependence on Russia to be temporary. By bringing back the launches to US, NASA is aiming to save a lot of money on crewed flights. Now, for the first time in the decade, NASA has the options of sending humans into space. NASA has entered into a contract with a private space agency called SpaceX to develop a human spacecraft for them. And this spacecraft is called Crew Dragon. SpaceX is a private space agency which has its headquarters in California. It was founded in the year 2002 by Elon Musk with the aim of reducing the space transportation costs and colonization of Mars. Now, with this background, let us quickly look at the facts of this historic mission. Crew Dragon spacecraft of SpaceX is the first ever private human vehicle to head for the orbit. The astronauts will take about 19 hours to reach the destination, International Space Station, also known as ISS, which is 400 kilometers above the Earth. The astronauts will live and work on the International Space Station. They will join 3 other astronauts who are already present there. The Crew Dragon mission is the culmination of a decade-long funding to SpaceX to develop the human spaceflight. This spaceflight can accommodate up to 7 people. This mission has been named as the Demo 2 mission. NASA awarded a contract worth $2.6 billion to SpaceX to create the human spacecraft called Crew Dragon. Astronauts Bob Behnken will be the Joint Operations Commander for Demo 2, whereas Hurley will be the spacecraft commander for this mission, who will be responsible for activities including launch, landing, and recovery. SpaceX plans for space tourism upon successful completion of this mission. It is planning to use Crew Dragon to launch paying customers into space. It hopes to fly that vehicle to space with humans later this decade. After NASA retired its own space shuttle in 2011 and has been relying on Russian spacecrafts, it decided to select private players who could send astronauts into space. SpaceX, a company founded just 2 years before Facebook, has now achieved something that only 3 countries have achieved in history till date, that is, launching humans into space. Guys, this is a complex topic and I hope I succeeded enough in making it extremely simple for you to understand. If any of you want me to do a video on a particular topic, you can put it in the comment section below. I will definitely try to do it. Thank you for watching this video and do not forget to put a comment below. Also click on the like button.